Okay, this is the most important part of the process, is to stretch. I've got gum in my mouth and I'm chewing. And I'm just kind of massaging. It doesn't hurt, it's just a little bit. You see a little swelling, but no more pain. And you have to really keep your neck loose and your jaw loose. So I'll do this today, and then maybe this later on today, depends on what I'm doing. But without the stretching and the massaging, the network will reattach itself. It's almost like rust. I'll do both sides, but I'm holding up the camera. Well, that's it. Thanks.